So hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. I want to tell you something that I was busy because I was trying to gain some muscles. That's the reason I was not uploading video, I guess 1 month. But now, as you can see, both supplements are here and I have used both of the supplements, so I know better that which supplement gives you good results. So in this video I am going to tell you, so it will help you to choose one of the supplement. So it will and it also help you to gain muscle fast. So in this video I will help you and it become very easy for you to choose one of the supplement. So let's start this video. And firstly we are going to talk about the nutritions in this supplement. As you can see, so as you can see guys, this is on serious mass gainer, which I have ordered online from the Flipkart, and I also upload unboxing video of this supplement, so you can go and watch the full unboxing video of this supplement. And I want to tell you guys, when I was using the supplement, it gave me zero result because I have experience of supplements. So when I start using this supplement, I have not seen any visible result in my muscles. Just because I ordered this supplement online, that's the reason I was taking it, because I I have investing my money on this supplement, so I don't know what's waste my money. That's the reason I was using this supplement in my post workout drink. But the result of this supplement is very zero. I would like to say, like, it give me only 20% result. This is a 5 kg packet, and I saw that my whole, like, I waste my money because I don't like the taste. Also, the taste is very bad, and this is non-veg, guys. So if you are vegetarian, do not go for this supplement, because in this supplement, beef, as you know, the beef meat powder is inside this supplement. So if you are vegetarian, I would not suggest you to take this supplement. And taste is very bad, guys, and result is also very poor. So I will not suggest you guys. And because of the result, that's the reason I did not recommend this supplement to anyone. Because if you want to waste your money, so you can go. But I want to tell you that, as you can see, second supplement, muscle takes mass take supplement. If you want to buy a supplement to increase your muscles size, gaining, muscle gaining, and a lean muscle mass, if you want to gain, so you can go with this second supplement. As you can see, this is muscle take mass take extreme 2000. See the name, extreme 2000. So this is 22 lbs bucket, which is almost cost around 8,000 Indian currency, INR. So if you want to gain some muscles with low fat, so you can go with this. I want to tell you that when I was using this supplement, so I have seen that I have increases, that it increases my power, a very good level, and it tastes very good. And as you can see, I have ordered this supplement online, and this is big bucket. So you just need to invest one time, and it will it will work for you. You can consume in 3 or 4 months. You can use this supplement. As you can see, this is ultimate 100% whey protein. So in this supplement, you can also you also getting whey protein. And as you also know that whey protein is also always help in muscle gaining. So this is one of the big reason that you can order. And in this supplement, like, there is no need to add creatine, BCAA, because this supplement is comes with full package. There is no need to add creatine, no need to add whey protein, no need to add carb, no need to add glutamine, bcaa. Everything is included in this bucket. That's the reason I was ordered this, and I have seen very good result. Like you can also see my previous video. So I was very thin, but when I use this supplement, it increases my muscle and strength too. And you can also see result when you do bench press. It gives you very good strength. That's the reason I also recommend you this supplement, and not this supplement. This is totally waste of money. If you want to waste your money, you can buy, but if you want to gain your muscles size, so you can go with Muscle Tech Extreme 2000, and this is 22 lbs big bucket. So this is very good investment, like one time investment, and you can use it almost 3 or 4 months. 2 scoop in a day, rest of your eggs and diet and all. But this supplements very good supplement, and it's helped me very well. So if you want to buy, so you can go to Flipkart site, and you can order this from Flipkart. And price is fluctuating. When I was ordered, it cost me 8,000, but flies price also always fluctuates, so it's dependent on day by day. Like you can go and check on Flipkart, so you can get a price. So that's all in this video, guys. So I want to tell you that finally, if you want to gain muscles, and you don't want to manage stock like every supplement, casein, creatine, bcaa, so there is no need to worry about. Just go for this supplement. In the supplement you will get everything inside, so no need to buy different kind of supplement. Just go for this. This is full package supplement, and I have seen result. That's the reason in future I also am going to buy another bucket, the same bucket. I am going to order second time, because I have seen a very good result. That's why. So this is one time investment, guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, because I also always come with this some interesting topic. So see you soon, guys, with some new video. Thanks so much for watching. Do subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you.